red lights say it has to come down.
Right. Oh yeah. Let me tell you something. I'm so equipped right now. All right. So the batteries went dead on the drone rivers, but I have an entire GoPro set here, and now we're good. This is awesome. Listen, needless to say, I am so happy now because I was in a 17-year relationship where this would have been, oh my God, this wouldn't happen. Yeah, I know, of course. Yeah, yeah. Are you ready? Take a card, right? Correct? No card? No card? Okay. Alright, that much. Thank you. My goodness. All right, whenever I pull up, all the cats come greet me. I know. So since I've got here in this little port town, I've only eaten chocolate croissants, and what's so great is they don't like them. Yeah, the piece is still laying here. Exciting in the port. Alright, now we have to find the hotel. I'm actually staying in a nice hotel this time. Paris, beautiful island, basic accommodations, and that's okay. Welcome to Naxos, right? I've never been here before, so I've actually never traveled to Europe by myself. It's very exciting. Alright, here we go. I'm at Hotel Glaros, right? All right, let's go check in. It's actually really nice. It smells fantastic. You know, I get very happy and situated, and where I was becoming very content and happy. Now I've mixed it up. Mystery. I love it. Talking, I'm kind of speechless. I know. I'm sure this doesn't do it justice. So, guess where the drone is going tonight? It is spectacular. What? Yeah, it's kind of remarkable. How much you want to bet I'm going to be the first to ever fly a drone through the doorway, the archway, right? Or as my father said, the first one to go to prison because of flying the drone through the archway. Listen, I'm having battery problems, and I don't even know I walked up there, but there's a nude photo shoot going on right now at the temple. At the temple. We're gonna take this up to the mountain. They're making me wear this. It's a €300 fine. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Ready? Let's go. This is crazy. I'm out of gas. All right, so here's what I know. 6 miles, 6 kilometers is a gas station. I have a lot of gear with me, but I mean, this is what we're talking about. It's not a bad place to be lost.
So, listen. The phone's dead, the battery's dead. The drone's dead. The car's dead. Listen, I love an adventure. This is part of it.
All right. It's unbelievable. Like, I've been on the road here for a couple minutes and there's no cars passing by. And I have a feeling that way down there is where I'm supposed to go. I kind of have a sprained ankle. Okay, but you know what? It's a beautiful place to be lost in. Okay. Well, you know, I did say I've been eating way too many chocolate croissants, right? So, listen, no joke. I really am broke down. It's unbelievable. No phone, no light, no motor car. This is exactly what I was looking for. I think, rule of thumb, the things you didn't plan are what you'll always remember. There's a town behind me here. I think they can help me, maybe. Anyway, it is also not gonna notice that I have thousands of dollars worth of equipment on me. So, and, uh-oh, shh. This car right here, they won't stop, they won't look. No, he actually almost hit me. Well, the fact is, what I'm doing looks intentional. Yeah, it's not at all. Help. Help me, little town. You're my only hope. I know. I really have big money for whoever will help me, honestly. I will give you so much money to assist me, honestly. Big money for whoever wants to help me. Big money. All right, here we go. I'm okay. I'm okay. It has not escaped me that this is beautiful. Oh dear. You know, there's noise all over this island. Like if I stop for a second, it's dogs and chickens and bees humming and me. All right, here we go. I'm okay. I'm okay. Well, this doesn't make me feel promised. Huh? Yeah, that doesn't make me feel good. I see it. I made it. God, I hope it's not siesta time right now. Okay. It's 1:30 and they just closed at 1:30, but they'll be open at 4 o'clock. You want an update? Look what I got. I peed. No. Gasoline, right? I offered the guy $20 extra to take me and he wouldn't do it. I'm really walking back. Sorry. Here, I'm gonna give you some advice. When things don't work out how you planned, don't rush it because you'll miss it. Right? There is something here that eventually I'll be wishing I was back. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello. My guess, 5 hours involved in this. I know, but here's the deal. I love tests, right? I love anything that values my worth. I love challenges. Now listen up. I'm moving again because these two awesome people right here, they went and got me gas and gave me a ride.
Thank you.
And everybody, and was gonna offer me water. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Be careful about your water. This is my car. If you need anything on the island,
Okay.
right in the middle.
Okay, that's awesome. Honestly, thank you. So, that's how that little adventure ended. So, that's how that little adventure ended. Now let's get going. So that's how that little adventure ended. So let's get going.